What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. And today the video is about making new glosses. The video is about making new glosses, but we're gonna do a giveaway. On our Instagram, we finally hit over 1,000 followers. I just want to give back. J-Dior Collection has had a great year, and I want to help someone start a business for $0. What we're giving away is 2 8-ounce jars. So this is a glitter one, and this is a pink one. J-Dior Collection also does lip scrubs now, so I'm giving away 2 4-ounce lip scrubs. This one is vanilla scented, and this one is peppermint scented. We're also giving away 10 pair of lashes. 10 pair. We're also giving away 5 of the 2-in-1 eyeliner and lash glue pens. And then I'm also giving away 20 squeeze tubes. All these products together are worth over $200. So you want to start a business, you can start a business for less than $200, but you're getting over $200 worth of products. Want to know how to win? All right. All you got to do is subscribe to our channel. Follow us on our Instagram page on J-Dior Collection. Come back to this video and comment your Instagram name. I'm going to have a post on Instagram specifically for the giveaway. You have to tag 3 friends and share the actual post on your feed, and that's it. And you win over $200 worth of products. I mean, it's about to be 2021. Let's go into strictly business, all about business. Let's get to it. So again, I'm gonna have all of the information on how to enter the giveaway on the screen. Also in the description. All right, y'all. See you later. All right, y'all. So I'm going to try to do as much talking as I can. But today, what I'm doing is making an wholesale order with nude colors. So she ordered chocolate, caramel, and peach. So right now what I'm doing is I wash my hands. I've cleaned off my area, put a tablecloth on. So now I'm putting on, and she ordered 75, so it's 25 of each color. And as y'all know, I do have a toddler, so I try to cut down the time as much as I can because as y'all can tell, it's quiet right now, so she's asleep. So what I've done already is I've pre-mixed my base. So my base is already pre-mixed, and I also pre-mixed my white base as well. So here's my white base. It's already pre-mixed. So I think I'm going to start off with the peach color. So I will start with my pre-mixed white. Then I'll add the rest of the color. All right, so we're gonna start out with our white premixed base. Oh. Got my spoon. And then TKB already has the peach mixed up. You can tell it's got orange in it. So I'm gonna just mix it around. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. And my base is thick because I know I have to add more liquid. So I always make it a little bit thick. And we're just gonna pour it in there. And I already have orange and white and red as well if it's too light. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix. And y'all have to mix really, really good because you see it's white. And we want the color to be evenly distributed. And also, if you want the color to actually show up on your lips more, I've noticed that if you make your lip gloss a little bit more thicker, that it will actually show more. And this is the most tedious part because again, you have to mix and mix and mix and mix some more. Because as y'all can see, every time that I pick up my spoon, you still see that white. So we got to keep on mixing. And I'm not finished mixing, but I'm going to go ahead and add my scent. And she wants bubble gum for this one. And I think I'm going to add a little bit more oil to thin it out. So I'm going to add a little bit more oil to thin it out. Just a little bit. That bubble gum smells so good. So I'm going to mix it again. Alright y'all, I told y'all I gotta keep mixing and keep mixing and keep mixing. Do y'all see that shine though? Woo! Alright y'all, I think that's enough. It's so pretty. This is a very popular color with my wholesale. Everybody loves the peach color. Alright y'all, so we're gonna move on to the next color. So we're gonna do chocolate. And first what I do is I use both liquid pigment and powder pigment. So I'm gonna mix this up. Alright y'all, so right now I'm going to go ahead and put in my pre-mixed base. I'm gonna mix this again. And I have to use this for the caramel as well. So we're gonna pour a little bit of that. And then we're gonna take our brown pigment, liquid pigment. Then we're gonna squirt some in there. And then we're gonna mix. You have to be careful. You don't want to throw it out the bowl. Mix, 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 mix. I'm going to use my Get Suckered chocolate chip. Y'all, this is my favorite here. This is my absolute favorite. Like, this is my favorite. So we're gonna go ahead and add some drops. Yeah, it smells so good. Why does that smell like chocolate chips for it? Oh my God. Like, y'all don't even, like, for real. This is my favorite out of all of them. It just smells so good. Whew. And y'all already know. Let's keep mixing. And you can add your flavoring oil all together and mix it together. But I like to do it like this. We all have different preferences. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and already poured it. Got new gloves, caramel. So with caramel, you're gonna need orange and brown. Alright. So remember, we have this. So we're gonna go ahead and pour that. And then we have our orange color. We got roses on it. We got our orange color. Now shake it up. I'm gonna go ahead and add it. And it depends on how dark and how light you want your caramel color to be, because I've seen caramel several different colors. So yeah, so it's up to your preference. Go ahead. We're gonna just use this spoon. And y'all already know. Let's get into mixing. Alright y'all, and for this, for caramel, of course we're going to use Caramel by Get Suckered. Yeah, this smells so good too. It smells just like caramel. Just like it. And it's up to you on how much scent or flavoring oil you want to use. I'm heavy-handed, so yeah. And I want you to be able to smell it down the street. And we're gonna mix. So y'all, she got the white wine tubes. So y'all done seen me fill tubes before, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out. I just wanted to show y'all how I made my nude glosses, and I made 3 colors for y'all, and I really appreciate if y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video as well to anybody that you know that has a lip gloss business and they're struggling on how to make nudes. Share with them, and I will catch y'all in the next video.